Hey everybody, Keith Best here, and in this video I'm going to go through and show you how easy it is to mix and match the actual bits from the different templates what we've got. Somebody asked us in the Facebook group about doing it, so I thought I'd just put a video together. It's a lot easier to do that than try and explain. So basically what I've got here, I've just opened them and I've got like bathroom, pest control, which I've obviously been messing with anyway, and solar pages. Okay, so I've just got them, and I'm just going to do add new. This is just one of these sites where I just play with. So if I just do test page. Okay, now when you're doing this, you've got to remember for these you want them on Elementor canvas. Okay, and that's if you're going to use like sort of this menu here, and use Elements kits to fit the menu in. Okay, so that's how these have been built with basically the Elementor canvas. You can use the Elementor full width, but you need to mess with like sort of the appearance and things like that. So for this demo, we're just going to do full Elementor canvas. To do that, I'm just going to publish this. You can just save it a draft, but just as easy to publish. And then we're going to edit with Elementor. Okay, so this one goes. So let's say we want to put one of the templates in. Like so, I've got them up. Just to save time, so let's have a look. Let's have the handyman home, because I haven't got that one out. Now, I have noticed there is a bit of a bug with Elementor at the moment. I think it's since 5.6 WordPress, there is sometimes that when you do the upload of a template, it doesn't automatically come into here. So you just have to wait a bit and then refresh, and it normally pulls it in. Hopefully they'll get it sorted. Okay, so this is the handyman. And it's got some nice stuff on, but let's say, have a look at the bathroom. We like that to put our video on. Okay, so the easy way to do this is just do on that, right mouse click, copy. Now this has got to be in the same actual site. You can't copy this from another site and bring it across. Okay, you've got to actually do, like, so it's got to be in the same site, but you can just do copy from there, come to your test page and say we want to put the video about here. All you do is you hit on the plus button, that opens up there, then just do right mouse click again and paste. That's how simple it is to mix and match these. Okay, obviously the other way is if you want to like save this bit as a template, then again you just do right mouse click, save as a template, and you can call it video section and save. Now if you want to use this video section on multiple different sites, you might want to download the actual section. So once this is saved, sometime today would be good. It looks like it might not just be the upload bug where there's a bug. It might also be the save function, because this should not take this long to actually do it. So let's close that. Let's just refresh the page. Let's do it down. Let's look at that bit. So you do a plus, you click on there, and then go to my templates. Have we got video section in? Yep. So we have got another bit of an issue with Elementor. When you press and save, it's not coming back, it's just going on forever. It's actually saved it. So what you can do now, obviously you can preview it. That's coming into here because this is not set up as the Elementor full width or canvas. So we can preview it like that. But you can also go across here and then just export it. When you export, you just save it into a folder wherever you want, and then you can just use it like you use all of these other ones just by inserting them in. Okay, nice and short video. We hope it was useful. Catch you on the next one. Bye.